Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have the Disney Pixar cars from the NASCAR wave. We have Bubba Wheelhouse, the Transberry Juice driver, which is now the Torqueberry Juice driver. And on the back you can get Jackson Storm, Go Logano, and Rowdy Revin Bush, and the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen 2022 NASCAR version. Let's get Bubba Wheelhouse out of the box. So here we have his pit crew sign, which says now Torqueberry Juice. It used to be Transberry Juice, but then Transberry Juice must have renamed their brand, which is now Torqueberry. And Bubba Wheelhouse went from the 6 to the 23. Let's take a look at Bubba Wheelhouse. So Bubba Wheelhouse is now the number 23. He used to be number 6 because he was in the Xfinity Series, and now he is in the Cup Series, in which he's been at Richard Petty Motorsports, and now with 2311 Racing. So in the hood it says TJ with a purple hood, with a bubbly purple hood. It used to be Transberry Juice, but like I said, they've been rebranded to Torqueberry. Different rims. I think these are like the next gen NASCAR rims with the one lug nut, I think, because I don't see another set of lug nuts like on Danny Swervez's right here, which you can see the 5 lug nuts, in which this one you can only see 1. So I think they're doing the 1 lug nut thing. I really want to know if I guess not for Eric I'm rolling, which I could bring him up. Yep, has the 5 lug nuts, in which he doesn't anymore. Number 23 is his Torqueberry Juice has basically been covered up. No rookie stripes, well, because he's no longer a rookie. The number 23 on the hood. Same for the other side. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.